Here you can see we have made another organic. This is also organic molecules. So I will tell you that what is this organic molecule. This is called acetone. Carbon is bonded with 3 hydrogen, then it is bonded with another carbon. This carbon is bonded with oxygen via a double bond. Again it's bonded with another carbon. This carbon is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. These are organic molecules. You have never studied organic molecules. Okay, so this is the molecule of acetone. It's a big molecule. So Ridhima, can you tell me how many elements are present in this molecule?
Three.
Name.
So there's carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen.
Okay. How many carbon atoms are there?
Three.
How many hydrogen atoms?
Six.
Oxygen?
One.
One. Now, can you tell me what is the valency of carbon here?
Which carbon? The first one?
Any. Acha, you start with this carbon. First carbon.
Three. Sorry, four.
4. Second one.
Second one is also four.
One double
Because
means
it's
1, 2,
double
3,
bonded,
4.
yeah.
And third one.
Is also four.
So, and then what is the take home message from here? Carbon valency is always 4. This is, never forget that one. Carbon valency always 4. So valency means the hand of the element. Okay? Okay? So when I'll teach you electrons, you will understand that one properly. Achha, now you tell me oxygen. You have only one oxygen atom. How many valency? What is the valency of oxygen here? 2. Achha, now tell me what is the valency of hydrogen here?
1.
So now from these two molecules, easily you can find out that carbon valency will be always 4. Oxygen valency is always 2. Either it can make a double bond or maybe 2 single bond. And hydrogen valency is always 1. Okay? So now I just want to know what is the take home message from this structure, because whatever structures we have studied here, this is completely different structures. Like you have not studied the book, you have studied all the inorganic molecules. So can you, Saisha, can you tell me what is the take home message, whatever we learned from this small hands on activity?
We learn that carbon always has the valency of 4, oxygen always has the valency of 2, and hydrogen always has the valency of 1. And valencies are always the hands of the atom.
Okay. So Ridhima, can you say something?
Something else? Can I add on?
Yes.
So we have also learned that these atoms that are making up this molecule or compound, basically they all have different properties when they are not one compound, and there are different elements. So example here is that there's oxygen, which is right here, the red one, and here, because it is, what was this?
Acetone molecule.
Acetone molecule. So oxygen, when it's separated and it's an individual element, its property is that it is helps to
Burning.
burn a fire. Yeah. So here
It's a gas also. Oxygen is also a gas.
But here it is a
But in acetone molecule and oxygen is present, is no more a gas.
No more a gas, yeah.
Acetone is actually liquid.
Yeah.
Acetone is also a volatile. And
Yeah,
acetone
it's very volatile.
used for the nail polish
Nail
remover.
polish.
So what is the property of oxygen? That is completely different
Yeah.
when it is combined,
Yeah.
means when it is present in a acetone molecule. So that means you are also learned the difference between a element and a compound.
Yeah.
Okay, and whenever we make a compound from the different elements, always you need a chemical reactions. Means here you can see carbon elements, hydrogen elements, and oxygen elements, they are reacting with the proper atomic ratio, and they are making a new molecule, that's the acetone. And acetone property is completely different the property of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbon is a usually black color solid. Okay, but here to acetone is a liquid.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between the atoms, molecules, elements, and compounds. And according to chemistry point of view, these are all pure substance. Means acetone, it's a compound, it's a pure substance.
Yeah.
Acetic acid, it's a compound, it's a pure substance. Okay, clear this part, that what is the atoms, molecules, elements, compound, and the concept of pure substance in chemistry.